Good evening, everyone. It is March 30th, 2017. We are doing a two-box break. The last two-box breaks of 2015-16 Upper Deck Contours Hockey, number 60. No more Contours breaks for us here at Jaspy's HobbyLand until either we get more or it could be the last ever. Although every time I say ever, we always get more in. So before we open up the last two boxes, let's randomize the list of names and teams right here with this dice roller in random.org. Here are the list of names from John all the way down to Gerald, who gets the last four spots and last spot mojo. And here are the teams right here. So let's roll the dice. Nice. 6 and a 6. That's 12 times, a full 12 times on the randomizer. Nice. 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th and final time. After 12 times, we have Gerald, you're at the top, and John M., you're at the bottom. If she gets them, I will. All right, 12 times. Right here on the teams, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th and final time. After 12 times, we have the New York Islanders at the top. New York Rangers are right at the bottom. Wow, looks like you're going to have to take that away from Gerald's last spot mojo, Malcolm and Mrs. Malcolm. Gerald looks like he has the Islanders and last spot mojo. Gerald gets the Canadians. Good thing is that you probably see this guy all the time, so you can always snag it from him. John with the Canucks, Gerald with the Minnesota Wild, John with the Devils, Gerald with my Los Angeles Kings, Florida Panthers, Malcolm with the Sabres. Last spot mojo, Gerald gets the Buffalo Sabres. Nice. David H with the Sharks, Gerald with the Stars and Blackhawks. Let's see. John, look at that, with the Edmonton Oilers. Malcolm with the Hurricanes, John with the Penguins and Avalanche. Malcolm with the Blue Jackets, Gerald with the Ducks, Gerald last spot mojo with the Red Wings. John with the Lightning, Malcolm with the Blues, David H with the Leafs, Gerald with the Preds, John with the Capitals, and John with the Bruins. Malcolm with the Senators and Flames, Gerald with the Flyers, David H with the Winnipeg Jets, and John with the Rangers. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll open up the last two boxes of Contours Hockey here at JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. Stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list again for number 60. Alrighty, guys, these is the last two boxes right here of the case, number 2 and 4. So let's see what comes out. Hopefully, maybe we see some McDavid. Still crooked? There we go. Alrighty, guys. Let's rip open these packs. Alright, guys, first box. Good luck. Ovechkin, Jason Spezza, Jonathan Taves, and... Ooh, look at that. Nice. Rookie Jumbo Fabrics. Connor McDavid. Not too bad, not too bad. Edmonton Oilers, John M. There you go, man. Connor McDavid relic. PK Subban, blue die cut. 72 of 499. Next one. How about a Kevin Fiala, rookie resume autograph? Nashville. Going to Gerald. Marcus Johansson for the Capitals. 211 of 499. Washington going to John. Next one. Club Crest, Nikolai Golubin for the San Jose Sharks, going to David H. Antoine Bibeau, 251 of 399, Toronto Maple Leafs, going to David H. Last pack, and we'll move on to the next box. Justin Falk, Youth Movement, 292 of 399, Carolina Hurricanes. Malcolm with the Hurricanes autograph. Nice. Blake Wheeler, Winnipeg Jets, 322 of 499. Winnipeg Jets. That's going to David H. Alrighty, guys. Last box of contours we'll have here at Jaspy's HobbyLand for I don't know how long, but might be ever. Not sure. Let me put this hits and base cards over there. That's one pack. I know, right? One more pack. Alrighty, let's go. Roberto Luongo, show me some glove. Florida Panthers, going to Gerald. Minnesota Wild, also going to Gerald. 472 of 499. Zach Parise. Next one, we got a Contours die cut. Nice. Matt Pumpel, 140 of 199. Ottawa Senators, RPA, going to Malcolm. Anaheim Ducks, going to Gerald. Contours rookie resume, Shea Theodore. 376 of 399. 2 packs to go. Nick Cousins, Flyers, going to Gerald. Yeah, this is the last of contours in the breaks. Then we'll only have 3 more boxes left for the personals. Jordan Eberle, 345 of 499. Oilers, going to John. Last pack of contours, guys. Good luck. Actually, let me hide the autograph. Doug Gilmour, Toronto Maple Leafs, 38 of 499. That's going to David H. And behind this Jonathan Quick, we have an autograph. Good luck. And it is Sergei Plotnikov. 402 of 499. Pittsburgh, going to John M. There you go, guys. That was a 2-box break of Contours Hockey. Got ourselves a nice RPA in here. And in box number 1, Trevor Carrick, Youth Movement, and a nice Connor McDavid jumbo relic. Always nice to just get anything Connor McDavid these days. There you go, guys. That was Contours Hockey number 60. The last 2-box break we have here at Jaspy's. Could be getting more. Might not be. I don't know. We'll see in the future. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.